Thank you. Today I will share with you what I found about the difference between light-emitting diode bulbs and compact fluorescent light bulbs. By the end of this presentation, I hope that you'll know which type of light bulb we should be using in our homes and at school to reduce our carbon footprint, to help save electricity and reduce our carbon footprint. It is easy to calculate how much it costs to run a bulb in our school for a year. I assume the bulb was turned on for 10 hours a day, 185 days per year, as this is how many days the school is open for. With the help of my dad, I converted this into kilowatt hours. The price of a kilowatt hour in Bangkok is approximately 4 baht. This gives a total of 96 baht to run a CFL bulb for a year. I then did the same calculation for an LED bulb. The total was 52 baht for a year. If we compare the two, they are both 900 lumen, so they both have the same brightness. But the LED bulb only costs about half the amount to run that a CFL bulb does. And the LED bulb lasts 3 times as long. Our champion, LED bulbs cost 99 baht, they save you 44 baht per year, so that means they will pay for themselves out of the money you save on electricity after only 2¼ years. Because they last for so long, they will save you 660 baht over their lifetime. A great investment. In conclusion, I would like to recommend that Bangkok Patana School replaces all of its CFL bulbs with LED bulbs. I'd also like to ask you to talk to your parents about changing the bulbs in your homes too, so they can save money, save electricity, and reduce the carbon footprint of our community. Thank you.